Hi everyone, let's practice units of area and estimating areas. Hi everyone, your creative educator here, and welcome to Sparkstoflameseducation, where you get great science, math, and reading content and really fun and creative ways of inspiring learning. Remember to subscribe, hit the notification so that you can see our new videos on Mondays. Like and share, and yes, subscribe now! Oh my goodness, how much space does this field take up? How far and how wide is this field? So today we talk about estimating or making a really good guess about the area of something. But let's talk about what area is first, and then we'll talk about the different units that we use and how to estimate. To find area, we must measure. And measurement is a really important skill, a really important thing that we practice and that we use in lots of different areas. For example, construction. Area is really the amount of flat space that something takes up. And different things will have a different area or take up different amounts of space. When we make measurements, we usually report it as a digit and a unit. The unit is important because it lets us know what we're measuring. For example, when we measure time, we may report it as hours, minutes, and seconds. When we measure area, the unit is usually squared. So it's usually some unit as a squared unit. When the units of area are the same, we can easily compare and then build our estimation skills. But let's look at some of the units of measure for area. For objects that are really small, the unit of measure is the square millimeter. For example, this pen. For objects that are a little bit larger, the unit of measure would be a square centimeter. For example, a shoe. For objects that are larger, the unit of measure is a square meter. And this is one of the more common ones. And this is used for areas, distances of larger objects. Now for really large objects or for really far spaces, the unit of measure is a square kilometer. Let's practice. What do you think the unit of measure is for this mobile phone? Is it 100 millimeters squared, 100 centimeters squared? Is it 100 meters squared or 100 kilometers squared? Yes, that would be correct. It's 100 centimeters squared. Okay, everybody, so let's do a quick recap. So area is the amount of flat space that something takes up. We can use different units to measure area, but it's usually square. So millimeters squared, that is usually square. Kilometers squared, usually square. And now that you're familiar with some of these units, we can also do estimation. So estimation is a really good guess that is really close to the real measurement of something. But if we know what some of these units are and how large they are, we can always estimate. So let's estimate. So let's try it. Now imagine your classroom or your bedroom again. Which one would you say is larger and what would be the estimated area? Remember your units. Thank you for watching. See you next week Monday, and please remember to subscribe.